My name's Dr. Jessica Budke. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Ecology and Evolutionary Biology here at the University of Tennessee. I'm also the herbarium director, which is our plant natural history collection we have on campus. So one of the projects I've been working on recently is part of a larger National Science Foundation funded project. This big grant takes research into the classroom and then takes the students' contributions from the classroom back out into our research project. This resulted in us putting together a May mini-term class called Immersions in Collections Research. So the main objective of this course is to give students really this hands-on experience interacting with natural history collections and mosses in particular, and sort of teaching the students how to use these natural history collections in research. It has three main components. We start in the field, where students learn how to take plants growing in the wild, to collect them along with all the information about where you collect them, when you collect them, what their situation is. And then we head into the natural history collection, where students learn how to take those plants from the wild and turn them into research specimens that we can preserve in archival packets and sort of save for the next hundreds of years for researchers to use them in the future. Then students basically get to take the specimens from the collection and move them into the research laboratory. So the students learn how to measure and collect data from them and how to sample from both their specimens and the ones in our natural history collections to extract DNA out of them and then use them for additional molecular projects. So essentially we're using pipetters to pipette small amounts of liquid, moving it around from tube to tube, running polymerase chain reactions in order to amplify particular pieces of DNA. We picked particular specimens from the herbarium that could feed directly into one of our projects. Because one of the big goals of our project is to build a large phylogenetic tree, so to look at relationships between species, map characters across the tree, and understand how they've evolved. Essentially, the whole goal is to learn how natural history collection specimens are important, how you can use them to understand relationships between different species, how these species are important for conservation, how they may have been moving across the landscape. And so just overall sort of trying to get students to have a class that gets them lots more hands-on experience and doing real research. So this class is part of an ongoing research grant. This is the second time we've taught the class this year, and we'll be teaching it in upcoming years. So if you're an advanced biology student, if you're excited about plants, if you're interested in natural history collections, if you want to try on a bunch of different research experiences to see which one you're good at, which ones excite you, this is the class for you. So if you're interested in EEB 466, which is titled Immersions in Collections Research, please reach out. We'll be running the class for the next several years.